Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a very beautiful half of free-range chicken here with me today. And then I'm going to quickly show you how to make some fried ginger oil. And then I will be using the fried ginger oil to steam the chicken. Right, I have some peeled old ginger here. Now you don't really need this much of ginger to steam one chicken. I'm actually making extra so that I can use the fried ginger oil for to keep for all my other dishes, yeah, in future. Basically, you can use it like how you use the fried garlic oil and also fried shallot oil. So here I don't know how much I have, probably about 250 grams, yeah, maybe 200 grams. I peel off the skin, yeah. Then you get a chopper, put in the ginger, on the power. The ginger is too big, let me cut it smaller. Then we continue. See, no funny sound anymore. So you do have to cut your whatever you want to grind to be a bit smaller. Notice I did not add in any water, yeah? Because I want it to be very coarse. You have this kind of consistency here, very coarse. Then you prepare a wok and give it a good amount of vegetable oil. Because not only we want the fried ginger, we also want the fried ginger oil. As this fried ginger oil is going to be what restaurant use, they call it 香油, fragrant oil. Even before the oil is heated up, you can already put in the ginger. Oh, I have a lot of ginger today. I don't mind adding more oil. Like I mentioned earlier, not only we want the fried ginger, we also want the fried ginger oil. Alright, then you use a medium-low heat to slowly saute the ginger until it is golden brown. But don't saute until fully golden brown because the oil will have some residual heat, yeah? As you can see from here, all the ginger is covered, nicely submerged under the oil. This is the amount of oil you want to put in, yeah? Right, this is after about 10 minutes using medium-low heat. I can see it started to turn golden in color. So now I'm just going to off the heat. Don't wait until everything becomes brown because it has residual heat in the oil, which will continue cook through your ginger. I have cut the chicken into big chunks. Now we are going to prep it a bit. Let's give it some fine salt. Okay. Some Shaoxing wine. Later I would like to have more chicken stock, so I'm going to add in some water as well, some filtered water. So later we can have the chicken plus chicken soup. Then our fried ginger. And I shall move this over to the steamer. We have preheated our steamer to 100 degrees Celsius. Carefully we put in the chicken in the middle. And we shall steam it for approximately 15 minutes. This is after about 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Wow. Wow, very, very fragrant. Very, very fragrant. Can you see? Can you see clearer now? Look at how beautiful it is. Look at the beautiful yellowish color. So now we are going to carefully take it out. So here's my steam free range chicken. I'm going to add in a little bit more fried ginger. Done. So here's my very simple steamed free-range chicken with fried ginger oil or fried ginger. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.